already discussed about this topic, the financial statements. The financial statements are the end process of the company. Each and every company, we have to ascertain the profit and loss account and also the financial position of the company, so that we have to prepare the statements or communicate to investors and management and also public, because the financial position of the company, we have to earn more profit, the investors also they invest more money in such companies, so that the financial statement are the what are the uses and the objectives and also the the format of the financial statements. Today we discuss about the problem about the balance sheet. Your problem, you are required to required to prepare balance sheet from the following information as per the provision of the Companies Act 2013, Scheduled 3rd. Particulars. Next, amount rupees. Equity and share capital. Equity and share capital. Share capital 9,56,000. 9,56,000. Preliminary expenses. Preliminary expenses rupees 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Next, discount on issue of shares. 20,000. Next, goodwill 30,000. Next, 10% debentures rupees 2 lakh, stock in trade, stock in trade, stock in trade 1,40,000, 1,40,000, loose tools, loose tools, loose tools, loose tools 12,000. Next, bills receivable, bills receivable bills receivable 1,20,000, cash at bank, cash at bank 1,35,000. Next, motor vehicle, motor vehicle 4,75,000. Provision for taxation, provision for taxation 16,000. These are the items will be given in the preparation of the balance sheet. The equity share capital given, preliminary expenses, discount on issue of debentures, goodwill, 10% debentures, stock in trade, loose tools, bills receivable, cash at bank, motor vehicles and provision for taxation. These are items will be given. We have to prepare balance sheet consists of two parts in vertical form. You have to prepare the balance sheet. The equity, some of the items will be given in the liability side, some of the assets, all kinds of assets should be shown on the right hand side of the asset side of the all the items in the vertical form. Solution. Particulars, note number, amount, in rupees. First we have to liability side in vertical form, equity and liabilities, equity and liabilities already done in the pro forma of the balance sheet of the previous class. Equity and liabilities. Next, number 1, share capital. Share capital. Or shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. A, share capital. Share capital. Note number 1, share capital how much will be given? 9,56,000. Next, B, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus not given in the problem. Next, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Debentures how much? 2 lakh. Long term borrowings. Next, third one, current liabilities. Current liabilities. Current liabilities, short term provisions. Short term provisions. Provision for taxation. Provision for taxation. $16,000 total. $11,72,000. Next, assets. Continuation. Liability is over. Next, assets. Assets. Non-current assets. Non-current assets. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎ fixed assets. Fixed asset. Number 1, tangible asset. Tangible asset, goodwill, stock in trade, loose tools, motor vehicle. Tangible asset, motor vehicle, ICLE, 4,75,000. 4,75,000.